Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix blurry stories on Facebook. So to fix blurry stories on Facebook, first of all, open your Facebook app. Now tap on menu which is in top right corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Now simply tap on settings. Tap on profile settings. Scroll and you will find media and contacts. Now tap on videos and photos. If your story is blurry, it can be because your video quality is not optimized. Make sure that your video quality is optimized. Another reason for blurry stories might be bad internet connection. So make sure that you have a good internet connection. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.